On this particular vehicle, we have friction damage on the carpet, a resting footpath wearing off, and accumulation of debris on the side. It's a typical scenario on every single car. To avoid further damage, these 3D floor mats have perfect cutouts and perfect anchor points. They fit like a glove. And most importantly, you have protection on the dead pedal. It protects from water seepage and foot friction. This floor mat covers up to 8 inches on the dead pedal, and it has a cutout of 5 inches on the gas pedal, of course for safety reasons. And for the passenger side, you can see it has a bucket shape. It goes all the way up to the front, and it collects debris and water flawlessly, as you can see. They come with these protective pads to avoid indentations on your carpet from the badge. The texture on the back of these floor mats is like a spiked Velcro, which keeps the floor mat in place safely, so you will avoid any movement or slippage when you're driving. As you can see, they do a really good job by repelling the water in comparison to the rubberized OEM ones. And yes, this is a good protected product for your car.